He didn't ask. He knew this is the Ghaus, Ghaus. He's training me to be a Ghaus. Power transmission taking place. Allah. Seeing में कुव्वत इलाही डाल दिया जा रहा है. देने वाला जानता है, देने वाला जानता है, हम नहीं जानते. Transfer of power, spiritual transfer of power. And Abu Bakr Siddiq said, Ya Rasulullah, I can't take this out, it is stone and rock. He takes his hand. Allah. He goes to that one footprint, he rubs his hand. Like he's rubbing sand and then he's erased. He goes to the next one, he rubs his hand over it like the traces is on the sand. Prophetic power has been transferred into him. He's using the energy of the Nabi, the energy that stood on earth and split the moon in the skies. He's using the energy that pointed towards the setting sun and brought it back to time of Asr. That's the power he's using. There was a transfer of power. Abu Bakr Siddiq, when he raised all the traces of the Qaadiri Shareef on the rock that was embedded there, by just moving his hand over it. ठीक है साहब, मान ली हमने, मान ली. Training carries on. Training carries on. The Nabi makes Alan. We need money for jihad and for the infrastructure of Islam. Abu Bakr Siddiq came with every single thing, every possession of his, so much so likha ki chula, the fireplace that he made, he broke that and brought him came. लकड़ियां जो थी वो भी लेके डाल दिया. Gave to the Nabi. Nabi is asking for donation. अरे क्या donation? सब उसी का तो है. सब उसी का तो दिया हुआ है. सब का हुजूरी का है. हुजूर अपनी चीज मांग रहे हैं, दे दो. हमारा नहीं जरूर का. In Arif thinks in a different mode. Today, people give donation, they think they're doing the institute a favor. The institute is doing you a favor by taking your money. You're not doing the institute. This institute, the people that take the money to use it for Islam are doing you a favor. That they jotting your name in a register that's going to be presented to Allah. Why do we have a negative attitude and a negative approach in Islam? Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala, Jamaat khadi. Huzur Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is performing the salah. While he is making the qiraat, Abu Bakr Siddiq breaks away. Jamaat se. He breaks away from the Jamaat. He goes outside. After a while, he comes back. He joins the same spot where he was. And they were still in the first rak'ah. After the namaz is over, Anas ibn Malik narrates this. मैं अपने जेब से नहीं ला रहा हूँ. Sayyidina Anas, Khadim al-Nabi, Khadim al-Rasul, Sayyidina Anas ibn Malik radiyallahu ta'ala वो खुश किस्मत सहाबी है कि 12 साल तक हुजूर के चौखट पर गुजारा. Day and night, 24 hours in the service of the Nabi. You know, we speak about fanatism. If what the Sahaba did is fanatism, then that fanatism is real Islam. Sayyidina Anas ibn Malik का क्या काम था? Of one of the jobs that he had at the door of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he put his foot outside with the Bareilly Shareef, Sayyidina Anas ibn Malik दोनों नारे उठा लेते. Both the sandals he pick it up. One sandal he put in this sleeve, the other sandal he put in that sleeve. Both sandals, with the same sandals, he will make jamaat behind the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Namaz huzur ke piche, huzur ke नाले के शरीफ आस्तीन में डालकर नमाज पढ़ते थे. Is this fanatism? If this is fanatism, then that is Islam. Today if we kiss the nisbat of the Nabi, we say it's shirk. तुम हज़रत अनस इब्न मालिक कौन से शिर्क करते थे? वो तो शिर्क के अकबर है. सबसे गंदा चीज इंसान के जिस्म के ऊपर जूता ही होता है. Yes, the most deadliest thing on a human body is the shoe, because you use it to go to the toilet, you use it to go here, go there. But you know what dirt is on the body? हज़रत अनस इब्न मालिक अल्लाह की इबादत करते हुए हुजूर के नालैन अपने आस्तीन में रख दिया. Anas ibn Malik narrates this hadith. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam performing salah. Abu Bakr Siddiq breaks away. After breaking away, he comes back, stands at that point. After the namaz is over, Huzur पूछते Abu Bakr किधर है? Huzur हाजिर. लब्बैक या रसूलल्लाह. हाजिर. Abu Bakr नमाज में थे. Huzur हाजिर. आपके साथी पहले सब में खड़ा. और माँ बाबा का क्या बात है? क़िरात करने के बाद रुकू करने चाहा, रुकू नहीं कर सकता. रुकू करने चाहा, रुकू नहीं करता है. और माँ बाबा तुम नमाज को छोड़ के भाग क्यों गए? Why did you leave your namaz and go out? से अबू बकर सिद्दीक़ रज़ियल्लाहु ताला या रसूलल्लाह, वुज़ू में वसवसा हुआ. I had a doubt about my wuzu, so I went to make a fresh wuzu. मैं wuzu का पानी डालने का गल थोड़ी था, कुआं थोड़ी था. Where did I get water? As I broke out from the Jamaat and I walked for water, I heard a voice, Abu Bakr. I heard somebody calling me, Abu Bakr. I became attentive, went towards the sound, and I found एक बर्तन था. Ya Rasulullah, the water was colder than ice and as pure as honey. But the lid, उसका मुंह ढका हुआ है. रुमाल. एक रुमाल से, रुमाल, it was covered. And on the rumal, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was written, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. Oh. I didn't pay attention to that, Ya Rasulullah, because I want to make wuzu and come and join the Jama'at. I made wuzu, Ya Rasulullah. With that water in that, he says, colder than ice and as pure as honey. I made wuzu that water and I came and stood up. जहाँ से मैं हटा था यार, इसलिए मैं खड़े होकर जमात में शामिल हो गए. और मैं अबू बकर पहली रकात से जब आप निकल गए, जो आवाज तुम्हें दिया, जानते हो कौन था? That was Sayyidina Jibreel. Because you intended to, you see the sadaqat, the state of a Ghaus of the Ummah, his training, his perfection. A Siddiq is not only a name, it's a title of a very, very unique human being. The Siddiq Akbar ko kisi ne pyala doodh diya, gave him a bowl of milk. Then Abu Bakr Siddiq said, Musalman gave me, he drank it. The next Sahabi came and said, do you know Abu Bakr Siddiq, that milk that you drank was earned from haram earnings? Sharia says, if you have trust in a Muslim and you drank something that he told you is halal, and you trust him, when he's inside your stomach, get his mouth. That's the law of the Sharia. He's gone inside the stomach. But the law for a Siddiq is different. Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq went out, he put his fingers and then he vomited all that milk out. That is a Siddiq. Nothing impure can go inside his body. His intention. Look at how the rahmah of Allah intercepts the intention of the Siddiq. Look affectionate Allah is for a siddiq. Since the intention came, there was waswasa in wuzu, intended to make wuzu. That intention came in his mind, Allah ordered Sayyidina Jibreel, take water and go there. My siddiq want to make wuzu. And the siddiq wuzu karne chahta. Don't dampen his purity. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, Sayyidina Jibreel came, called him, pani tayyar. He said, you know when you were using that container, it was very simple to use that container because somebody was holding it. You know who was holding it? Ya Rasulullah. He said, Mikail. Mikail alayhi salam ne wuzu karaya. Oh. So Siddiq, you made wuzu. And Siddiq Akbar ka wuzu, kitna kamil wuzu hai. He'll take his time. Not haphazard like how फट करके कुल्ली जो ऐसा कुल्ली मुंह में पानी जाता है नहीं, you squint it out. Kulli, you must make kulli, proper kulli. You must clean your nose properly, take your time, because at-taharatu miftahu as-salah. नमाज के लिए जल्दी कर रहे हो, लेकिन वुजू कामिल नहीं. जब वुजू कामिल नहीं तो जितना ही जल्दी करो, जितना ही नमाज पढ़ो, सब बेकार. याद रखना. Your wuzu is not correct. Your ibadah is not correct. So you must take pride in your wudu. Now imagine if you take pride in your wudu, how much of pride Sahaba must have taken in wudu. You know, Haji Hassan al-Basri radiallahu ta'ala, the biggest Khalifa of Sayyidina Moulai Kainat. When Sayyidina Moulai Kainat came to Kufa, he sit on the mimbar. He came to Basra. He sat on the mimbar and Sayyidina Hassan al-Basri radiallahu ta'ala in front of him. He said, "Ay Amir al-Mu'mineen, mujhe ta'lim do." By kis cheez ka ta'lim? He also said, "Amir al-Mu'mineen, teach me." He said, "What do you want to learn?" He said, "Teach me how to make wuzu." Haji Hassan al-Basri ka pehla sabak Moulai Kainat se. Wuzu, how to make wuzu, how important is wuzu. Abu Bakr Siddiq making wuzu must have taken his time. The Nabi says, "Oh Abu Bakr, when you came and joined the Salah, which rakat were you in?" He said, "Pehli rakat." The Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not read so long surah that he took time and Abu Bakr Siddiq made him a normal surah. He said, "Abu Bakr, when you were making wudu, before your wudu was finished, my surah was finished and I was wanting to make ruku, but somebody was holding my knee." Somebody is holding me, not letting me to go to ruku. Why? Abhi Siddiq aayega, jamaat uski pehla rakat. Holding him up, holding the Nabi's knees, holding, not letting him up, stopping him from bending. Say, Jibreel, do you know who was holding my knees? He said, "I don't know, Ya Rasulullah." He said, "Israfil alayhi salam." Allah. Bhai, मैं तो रात भर बिठा सकता हूँ. Siddiq Akbar ki fazilat bayan karna. But you don't have time. I'm going past now. Siddiq Akbar. What is the maqam of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar? Allah even said, "Mahbub, wait. Don't go to ruku. My Siddiq's first rakat will become qaza. Wait for him." Itna pyar karta hai Allah Siddiq se. You know what is the maqam of Siddiq? May I tell you something, a very mystical dimension. Allah the ayat read, "Min al-Nabiyyin, Siddiqeen, Shuhada, Salihin." These are 4 stations. Right? Highest is Nabiyyin of the prophets. After that is Siddiqeen. I want to ask you, what is the different distance from the top one to the next one? Waqfa hai na? Siddiqeen. Niche. नबी ऊपर, तो उसके दरमियान में क्या चीज है? क्या चीज? You know why we call him Siddiq Akbar? You know why you call him Siddiq Akbar? I will tell you why you call him the Siddiq of all the Siddiqeen. He's Sayyid al-Siddiqeen. First Siddiq of this Ummah. You know, at one given time there can never be 2 Siddiqs in the world. There can be 2 or 3, 4, 5, 10, 100 ghosts, but there cannot be 2 Siddiqs at one time. That's against the law of spiritualism.